Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's Monday. Not much is going on in the market as far as rates or pricing is going, but pricing is kind of weird right now. We'll take a look at it really quick here. But Hive provided their October numbers, which we kind of figured out from their Q2 presentation, but we'll just go over them right now just to kind of take a look at it and see if there's anything that's changed on that. So here's the chart of Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is obviously testing our 57,000 support level. And we've touched it and gone below it once, twice. We've come close to touching it here on, this would have been Saturday. And then we've obviously gone below it today. And we're kind of bouncing above it a little bit right now. So my concern with Bitcoin right now is the more time it touches this line, the more likely we are to fall below it. And then we'll have to obviously see if we can maintain support around 52,700, 53,000 roughly. See if we can maintain support there, unless we actually start going up above it. We'll have to see. Obviously, the 20-day moving average is getting close to the 50-day moving average, which isn't ideal. We want those to keep being separated, basically. Let's take a look at Hive really quick here while we're talking about them. So Hive is also testing the 20-day moving average. It's been bouncing off of it for the past, four to five trading days, looks like. So we'll have to see what happens there. It is down 5%, it's down to $3.89. So let's get into the news story here. So Hive presents record October 2021 production figures, HODL 1,350 Bitcoins as of October, and appointment of Luck Oluwate as VP of our New Brunswick data center campus. So important parts here is our BTC HODL position of 1,350 coins. So I've updated this spreadsheet that I use. Revenue is obviously up. Also, it's 23.4 million for the month of October, which if you multiply by 3, you get like 70.2 million, possibly for the quarter. So I've updated my numbers a little bit as well to reflect that. So they produced 234 BTC in October, and they produced also 2,591 Ethereum. And then Frank said, "We are proud of the growth and operational excellence exhibited from our global operations, which has Hive generating 280 million in annual revenue on run rate basis using October figures, or approximately 350 million Canadian." And then Aiden provided this. "We would like the investing public and crypto enthusiasts to understand the financial relationship between BTC and Ethereum mining. For example, currently 1,000 gigahashes of Ethereum mining is equivalent in daily revenue from value of coins produced to approximately 215 petahash of Bitcoin mining." It's kind of a weird way of converting it. So he's looking at the amount that you would make with 1,000 gigahashes in US dollars, basically, to how much you would need in petahashes in Bitcoin to have the same, basically equivalent. Mr. Kylik continued, "Similarly, where one can equate hash rate on a revenue basis between BTC and ETH, you can also equate the value of coins on a daily basis, such as the 2,591 Ethereum that Hive produced is approximately equivalent in value to 171 BTC, in addition to the pure 234 BTC produced from our BTC operations." So we just don't know if they're selling the Ethereum or they're hodling it. I think it looks like they're selling it, but we'll have to see. Obviously, that would have increased their production run rate for Bitcoin up to almost, that would have been given 405 Bitcoins. Yeah, 405 Bitcoins equivalents. So kind of like Hut 8 does the same thing. They have GPU miners that are mining Ethereum, but they're getting paid out in Bitcoin. So their run rate right now is 13.1 BTC equivalent per day average produced. That's the HODL, we know that. Okay, currently Hive's New Brunswick facility is operating at 30 megawatts of power capacity and generating approximately 650 petahashes of Bitcoin mining capacity. In December 2021, the company expects the next 20 megawatt phase of this campus to be complete, for which Hive will have the ASIC hardware ready to be installed, immediately adding 500 petahash of Bitcoin mining capacity. Okay, so that's good. Furthermore, the company expects that the subsequent 20 megawatts expansion phase will be completed in Q1 of calendar 2022, which will add an additional, okay, so they're going to have this probably done in Q1 where all the miners are installed as well. So the site will produce over 1.6 exahash of Bitcoin mining capacity. And that's it. Okay, so let's take a look at my numbers here really quick, and then we'll call it a day. So earlier on, they reported that they had, from their Q2 presentation, on one of the slides from presentation, was timing was 14 minutes and 18 seconds. they had 1.25 exahash on there and 4,200 gigahash for the Ethereum mining. So based on the numbers that they provided, they're running at 24 point, whatever that was, 24.4 million, right? What was that? Let me make sure I get this right. The equivalent, where was it at? 23.4 million. Okay, so 23.4 million is what they basically made in October. I multiplied that by 3 to get to the 70 million.2, or roughly there. I'm really close. I'm off by only $80,000 here. That made me have to include these miners here to get to that number here, based on the Bitcoin price where it's at right now. And then that would give us obviously 1.5 exahash, and then the total installed miners would be 18,280. Other than that, nothing else has changed. We still have a bunch of miners that have to come in. We got ones here that were scheduled in November, December here. We have ones that were in October, December here. What else do we have here? We got ones, these are out. And then we got the ones here that are supposed to ship as well. So they still have quite a bit of miners that need to be installed here, along with these miners here. And then we just don't know when. Okay, so these are supposed to get installed in December here of this year, and then these are in January, February. So they still have a lot of miners that need to be installed. We'll have to keep an eye on it. Obviously, the price is down. Well, price is down on everything pretty much right now. We're looking at current prices $3.97 roughly. So that's it. I wish they would have provided more information as far as their exahash, what they have. They have done this in the past. I don't know why they're being coy about it this time around. I think they're just not having a huge ramp up in exahash. So they're being a little coy on it and providing how much they're actually mining, and then you got to figure this stuff out by yourself. So that's it. Not bad. Obviously want to see November numbers come out a little bit quicker than 3 weeks later than for the October one. But other than that, things are good. Let me know what you guys thought of this. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe button, helps me out tremendously. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a great day. Bye.